Schools Division of Bohol through the Public Schools District Supervisor Francisco Olo Franco, Bien Amigo District. By the authority, responsibility, and accountability vested in me as the school head of Tuburan Elementary School, articulated in Public Act number 9155, otherwise known as the Governance of Basic Education Act of 2001, Republic of the Philippines. It is my honor to present to you 29 candidates for graduation who, to my knowledge, have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements for the K-12 curriculum elementary level as prescribed by the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines for the school year 2024 and 2025. It is prayerfully hoped that the graduation of these 29 candidates from K-12 curriculum elementary level be confirmed and they be given their certificate of graduation effective today, April 14, 2025.
Dr. Faye C. Luares, Officer in Charge of the Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Department of Education, Schools Division of Bohol. As School Head of Liberty Elementary School, Ben Onido District, upon the presentation of the School Head, Mrs. Zoraida Q. Garcia, that these 29 candidates for graduation have completed the minimum requirements for elementary curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines for the school year 2024-2025. I hereby recommend that their graduation from elementary level for the school year 2024-2025 be confirmed and that these candidates be given their certificate of graduation effective today, April 14, 2025.
By the authority, responsibility, and accountability of the Schools Division Superintendent of the Department of Education, Schools Division of Bohol visited me as her authorized representative and in my capacity as the school head of Nueva Estrella Elementary School, Bien Onido District, upon the presentation of Mrs. Zoraida Q. Garcia, the school head of Tuburan Elementary School, and recommendation of Mrs. Jeanette Gitigan, the school in charge of Liberty Elementary School, that these 29 candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 curriculum elementary level. I therefore confirm the graduation of these candidates effective today, April 14, 2025, and that they are entitled to receive their certificate of graduation. As graduates of K-12 curriculum for the elementary level, you are therefore eligible to enroll in the next higher level of education, the junior high school program, in any public and private school of your choice. As holder of the elementary certificate of graduation, you are also entitled to enjoy all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates of the school year 2024-2025. You may now transfer your tassels from your right to left. Let's give them a big round of applause. Please be seated.